having an amazing day. My name is Maddie, but you can call me Macerly, and I just moved into my dorm. I've been in this dorm now for a week, and what I've realised is that it gets really easily disorganised. There's mess everywhere really easily, and I have to clean all the time. I really want this area to look a bit more colourful and a bit more fun, so that's what I'm going to try to do today. So I'm going to show you guys DIYs, organisation tips, and other decorating tips so that you can decorate your own dorm. And also if you have like a small room or a large room, you can definitely apply these tips as well. I'm also trying a few different angles to film in my room. This one is obviously a new one, so bear with me while I try to figure out the best places to film in my room. Well, I have a feeling it's going to be this area when I start decorating it, but you know, we'll see what's good. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know. And yeah, let's get right on to decorate my dorm. So I went to Amazon and I got some of the most inexpensive but also super pretty posters. I'm just gonna hang them up on my wall and make it really colourful in here. So now I'm just gonna hang up all the posters that I've got. They're all really expensive, from £5 till £8 I think. So let's do that.
Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna.
So I'm loving how this is looking. However, I feel we need some personalization here, and that's where these come in. Right, to make these typography prints, all you will need is to go to any online text or design editor such as PicMonkey or Canva. Type what you want your post to say in and choose a bomb looking font and trace it out on a piece of thick paper. Now grab any marker that you have laying around, like a Sharpie or a coloured pen, and colour in your letters. Here you could also add shadows or additional colours or doodles to make it more fun. Now all that's left is to hang them up. I ended up making 3 posters, and I think they're all unique and pretty in their own way. To make this area even more colourful, I wanted to add this light. Wow! That looks seriously cool. Hello, it is a new day today. I just came home from welcome fair, and what I'd really recommend you guys doing, if you guys are uni students as well, take advantage of everything you can at welcome fair. My welcome fair was huge, and they even had like a poster stand there, and I got so many fun posters, and this was £2, this was £3, and the Kanye one was £4. They gave away so many things like decor pieces and posters. Take advantage of everything that you can get for a cheap price, because it's such a smart way to save money if you attend all these student things, because they're meant for students that have a low budget. So I'm gonna hang those posters up now and get even more colour.
But I know what you've been through.
This part of my room is somewhere that's been messy now for a week. What I decided that I would do is purchase one of these. That was such a quick and easy fix for this part of my room, and now it's really nice and clean. So I think this area is really cute now. However, what I also feel is that this box that I've got, where is it? There it is. It doesn't really match with the whites that are in my room. There's so many whites in my room, like plant holders, the walls and everything, and this is just a little bit too grey. So what I'm going to do is that I brought this little thing. This is marble film design foil, and I'm gonna attach it to this thing. And since I don't have scissors or knives in my room, I'm going to be using a pizza cutter, and we will see what happens. This is student life, basically. Let's measure these sides and how long they are.
Just wait till you give in and finally come over. I can't wait to tell you. I told you.
This is not working. I've tried for a while. I thought I could do the pizza cutter thingy on student budget, but apparently I couldn't, so now I have to go out and buy myself a pair of scissors. Hi there! It's been 3 days since I last talked to you guys, and in the meantime I got a pair of scissors, and I have one question to the people who made these pairs of scissors, and it's that you assumed that everyone who's going to buy these pairs of scissors is going to have another pair of scissors that they can cut off this thing with. We are back with this item that we are going to redesign. How we are going to do it is basically we're going to cut out a few pieces that I just measured out by laying it like this. So let's do this, shall we? Right, we now have 2 pieces of this marble paper. What we are going to do is attach it to the sides. I really love this iron foil because it's super easy to work with, and you just need to peel it off and attach it to the plates. I'm going to use this ruler to basically stretch everything out, get rid of any air bubbles. That's quite good. Yeah. Since last time I talked to you guys, I also did a few changes. I got this really cute little glass from Paper Chase, I believe. It was on sale for like £3 and I had to have it. I think it's so cute. And I also got this, well, it's sort of like a bowl slash lunchbox slash organisation thingy. I think it matches really well in my room because like there's a bunch of like pink colours obviously, but it also looks really good as organisation, and when I miss breakfast it is really good to eat my granola in. So that was kind of why I got it, and I think it looks really nice. Alright everyone, that is it for today's video. I wanted to end this video in like a nighttime kind of note. One, because my room is super nice in the evening, because it's like lit up there and lit up here. It looks really, really well. Nice. Good. Adjectives. For now, these are all the changes that I will make to my room. There might be more like near Christmas time or when I've lived it for longer and I feel like I need certain things to be updated in my room. Uni has really started for me now. I have so many readings to do and essays and stuff to get done, but I'm also having a lot of fun and I love going to uni in London. And I just wanted to say that if you guys have any suggestions on what type of uni videos you guys want to see, then let me know. Tell me down below if there's anything specific you want. Otherwise than that, I love you guys so much. Take care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.